In this video, we will demonstrate how to mimic GoogleBot using the Chrome browser via the Dev tools. To begin, open up Chrome and navigate to a web page. Right-click the page and click Inspect to open the DevTools window. Open the Network tab. There are a couple of option menus at this point. In the top right corner, choose the three dots in the same row as the Network tab. Highlight More Tools and then click on Network Conditions. Here, you will see a section titled User Agent with a checkbox that says Use Browser Default. Uncheck that box and then open the drop-down list. The drop-down list will have many pre-configured options, but for this example, we will find and select GoogleBot. Now, when you load a web page again in this tab here, it will send the user agent for GoogleBot. This is a great trick to test your own website to ensure the Google crawlers see your website correctly. Thanks for watching.